Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to install the Arch ISO from the ARISER project. So let us start with the installation. So first you have to open the local source. We will go to this, select the ISO ARISER project folder and select the Arch Linux ARISER ISO. So this is the Arch Linux ARISER ISO that I downloaded in the earlier video. So you have to open this. There are some more options, so you can give the name, that is ARISER. So this will be the name of the virtual machine, that is the ARISER Arch Linux, and then you can create the virtual machine in edit settings, go to memory, increase it to, or we can again keep it 2048 only, and here you give it 4096. Keep quad processor, hexa processor not required, that will be too much burden on the system. Click OK and then connect. Yes, now we are successful, and we are this is the boot screen. Grub boot. There are options. We can start with the default option. There is the speak up screen reader. You can run memory test. You can go into the UEFI shell, UEFI firmware settings, system shutdown and system start. So we'll go with the default setting. So this is the TTY login screen. Now, if you remember what we have to do, we have to just open the website again. I will show you. I think you have to type Alice after the ISO has started. Yes, you have to type Alice on the TTY screen. So we type Alice. So it will start the automated script. Do you want to get the last GitHub code in? So we can type with yes. So it will update the GitHub code. That is the configs. Shall we start? Yes, the head is now at the memory location. Update new code already updated. So can we start make the Alice script? So making all the script files executable. Now it is all the script files are ready for execution, and we should start with the Alice script. You have to say yes. Yes, so it is giving some warning for the partitions, but anyway, it is a fresh disk, so and it is a virtual disk, so there is no issue or any damage can be done to our system because everything is running in virtual mode. So here you can see everything, it is doing all automatic, all partitioning, everything is automated. You have to do nothing, you have to just sit back. Now for this automated installations, I will like to tell you that whenever you do go for automated installation script, always make sure that you take the backup of your data. Sometimes what will happen is it might delete or change the already existing partitions, so you might have a data loss. So better is to always take a backup or remove the backup to a safe drive and then do this automated installation. Otherwise there are chances that it can destroy your data that was in the earlier existing partition. So it is now configuring the local, you can see it here. It has configured the reflector also with the fastest mirrors, and now it is started downloading the packages. You can see it here, it is first downloading the reflector package. Now let us see how much time it takes. The developers are told it takes just 129 seconds to install. I got a comparatively fast download, around 50 Mbps I am getting. Though the Reliance Jio vendor is promising 40-50 Mbps, I am getting around 15 Mbps. So 15 Mbps is good speed, not bad. So we should be finishing the installation maybe in 10 minutes, not 129 seconds, but 5 to 10 minutes we should complete the installation. Now we can see it is started downloading big packages. So hundreds, maybe hundreds of packages in one go. Here you cannot change the file system. It selects the ext4 as the default file system. You can see it here. So there are options for the init ramfs. So you can use make init cpio, booster, or dracut. Dracut is used in the Red Hat Linux branch. So the Arch Linux will use make init cpio as default. The Red Hat branch uses the dracut. Even I think OpenSUSE, yes, OpenSUSE also uses dracut. So by default, this script will use the make init cpio as the default provider for the init ramfs. So you have to watch these messages on the screen because that gives you great knowledge, working knowledge for the Linux. So it took very less time to download. I think this 100 packages will be there, and even it just started installing those packages. Once this package installation is done, it will again install some 100 packages. Let us see. Or it is maybe it might install a minimal Arch desktop, and then we can manually install all the required packages as per our choice. Let us see what happens. I think it is not downloading further packages. Let us see. It might be going for a minimal installation. Just like the ALSI method, where we install the pure Arch Linux using the Calamars installer in Arco Linux. So we had a minimal just 1.2 GB of Arch Linux installation. So maybe this is similar. So in the next video, we will check out the desktop that is installed. We will be installing the XFC 4 desktop as the default. So we will check out what exactly the script has installed for us. So there is some warning that download timed out after 5 seconds. Okay, so now it is configuring the local. Script is very fast, I can say. So now another group of packages to be downloaded. So I think it will install in 3 to 4 batches all the required packages. Now it has started the Linux header 6.1.12. So this must be the latest Linux kernel headers. It is installing the network manager. It will download some packages for the network manager and the Bluetooth stack. Oh, big download is there. It will take some time, of course. So it contains some fonts, some software packages for the desktop and the XFCE desktop itself. Now it is installing the Light DM display manager. I think the package installation is done. Now it is doing a full system upgrade. So there must be some pending upgrade. So pending upgrade, how? I will tell you. This ISO must have been created some days back and the latest packages won't be there. So it will install the delta between the date of creation of the ARISER ISO and the today's or the latest software packages updated to the ARISER repo. So that will delta the difference packaging that packages that have changed, all those will be downloaded during the full system upgrade and it will be installed. So we will have the latest image of the Arch Linux XFCE desktop in our virtual machine. So I think the installation is complete and system will now reboot. Yes, it is unmounting and it is rebooting. So I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.